Hello kids, welcome to a lesson for today. Today we'll complete lesson 11 of your grade 2 model 8 workbook. Let us learn how to describe a whole by the number of equal parts including 2 halves, 2 thirds, and 4 fourths. As a warm-up, let us look at how we can use chip model and the standard algorithm to add. If you're given 112 plus 159, draw the chips. There's 1 in the hundreds, 1 in the tens, and 2 in the ones, the first number. The second one, 1 in the hundreds, 5 in the tens, 9 in the ones. When you add, you can make a 10. Remember 1, so you have 1 there. The tens now become 7 tens, 200s. Look at the standard vertical method. 112 plus 159 equals 271. So easy. I know you can solve this easily, so please practice with these other numbers and solve correctly. Solve with both the chip model and the standard algorithm vertical method, and also complete your fluency practice. Let us look at this application problem. Jacob collected 70 baseball cards. He gave half of them to his brother Sammy. How many baseball cards does Jacob have left? Now look at my tape diagram. He collected a total of 70. If he gave half to his brother, that means he shared it into 2 equal halves. If you share 70 into 2 equal halves, you're going to have 35. So 35 plus 35 equals 70. I need a volunteer to hold something for me. Is it a whole circle? What you see in there, is it a whole circle? It is 1/2 of a circle. What is needed to complete the circle? Another 1/2. Now watch as I complete the circle. Yes, 1/2 plus 1/2 equals a whole. 1/2 and 1/2 make 1 whole. 2 halves make a whole. Now look at the rectangles. I'm going to give each one a third of a rectangle. Look at the part of a rectangle they are holding. They each have 1/3 of a rectangle. How many thirds do you see altogether? What do they need to complete the whole rectangle? They need 1/3. Watch as I complete the whole. So I have another 1/3 added. 1/3 and 1/3 and 1/3 make a whole. 3/3 make a whole. Now, look at these rectangles. These are special rectangles called squares. All the edges are of equal length. Now, I want to make 1/4. I want to make a fourth. I'm giving each person 1/4. Now, I've given out 3 persons 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 of the square. What do they need to complete the whole square? 1/4. Let's complete the square. So I have 1/4, another 1/4, third 1/4, and then 4 fourths. 1/4, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths. If you look at the shape, it's a square. 1/4 and 1/4 and 1/4 and 1/4 make a whole. 4 fourths makes a whole. I'm going to give each of you a piece of a whole circle. When I say find your whole, walk around the room to complete your whole. Let's look at our whole groups. We're going to do this in class and see how to make wholes if you have a part of it. Now, what part do I have? 1/4. I'm going to glue my 1/4 on my paper. How many more fours do I need to complete the whole square? Watch as I draw 3 more fourths to complete the whole. 4 fourths makes 1 whole. You're going to do the same. Draw and make your own whole. And then complete your lesson 11 problem set and bring your work to class for marking. See you. Bye.